Hi everyone. Today I want to demonstrate my assignment 1, which is the title that I choose is title 2. And before I do the demonstration, I will explain you what I do to this breadboard. I've used 5 components, which is the first one is potentiometer, and then green LED, red LED, LDR, and the last one is the push button. So here we have 2 analog input and 1 digital input and 2 outputs. So the first input that I want to explain is the LDR. Here what I do is I change the LDR value into the lux value, and then I do the averaging for 50 readings. Why I do 50? Because when I do less than 50, the reading is too flickering, so that I've used 50 reading. It more stable than less than 50. So if the lux value is more than 500, and then the green LED will turn on. So in real life application, when the glare is too high in the night time, your visibility is reduced. So you can even see the line of the road on the road, or even obstacle on the road. So the LED make you alert, so you may focus more on the road. And then the second one is potentiometer. So here in the potentiometer, I change the potentiometer value to the voltage value. I changed to so the max value for the potentiometer is 3.3 volt. So if the potentiometer voltage is less than 1.1, it is blink too low. So when potentiometer is less than 1.1 and then the LDR is high glare, then the red LED will blinking. So in real life application, I think that when you're blinking too low, you can't even see the road, you can't even see the obstacle. And then when high glare, it is the same thing. So when the red LED is blinking, it makes you wake up, and then you can focus on the road. The red LED is break your attention lah. So for the last input is this one, push button. So for the push button, when you push it, the high beam will turn on, and then when you push it back, the high beam will turn off. So it toggle lah. So here there are no outputs, we can only monitor it in Tony. So I think that's all. But the last one is, I think, for the in real world application improvement lah, because they are only blinking. I think the user will not will not direct much attention. It will not direct much attention lah. So the thing that I think I will add is buzzer. So the buzzer can direct much more attention if the user is sleepy. So if the buzzer turn on, then the user will wake up. So I think that's all for the introduction, explanation. So let's move on to the demonstration. Let's go. So this is the demonstration part. So right now we can see the output is not on, because here the lux value is lower than 500, potentiometer is higher than 1.1 voltage, and then the high beam is not turned on because I not push it. So let's higher the lux value. Okay, so now 5, 4, 6. So here we can see the LED is turned on, the green LED. And then if I move, okay, it turned off, and then it turned on back. So now I will lower the potentiometer lower than 1.1. Okay, so now the voltage is 1. So let's see. Okay, the red LED is blinking. That's what I say just now. So right now, let's see if I move. I mean, if I lower the lux value. So nothing happened, right? So now we test the push button. Right now I push the push button. Okay, then the push button is through, and then the high beam is turned on, and then I push back. Okay, the high beam is turned off. So that's all from me. Thank you.